guys, right now here. So I got a call for a guy who's driving a Chevy, a rear-wheel drive Chevy, and he got stuck in Jurupa Valley. He tried to, he was spinning his wheels so much, I guess. Not sure what happened. He said that he broke the drive shaft. So let's see how bad it is. Once I get there, I'll keep recording. Look, that's the one that we recovered last time. You guys see this little Cherokee right here? I recovered it once from this same area. I'll show you the video. All right, here we go. Whoa. Let me get the 4x4 in. Let's go. It seems to be like on a hill also. Whoa. And the wobbles here are very pronounced, or however you say it. Whoa. Damn, these are nasty. This road is nasty, man. Look at those things right there. Look. Gotta take it slow. All right, let me see that map. I want to see that we're on the right path. Yeah, he should be here. We should be able to see him. I don't see him though. Feel like I'm about to flip too. Whoa. Keep checking the map. Let me know what's up. What?
Just right here. Right in front of us.
Do you see him?
No.
All right. Here. Able to see him because he's like hiding right there. You see that? So let's go that way and see what's up. mute too? All right. All right, perfect. So let's see the damage. They say that he broke the differential. Let me see what he meant by that. Oh, it seems to be in place. Like I was expecting it to be hanging or something. I don't think they broke anything. Or maybe, I don't know. Because everything seems to be in place. So, yeah, we should be able to get them up. Alright, so it looks like I have two options, you know, maybe turn around, pull it this way, or I can pull it that way too. Okay, so his friend's gonna move the car out of the way, and you know, we still have him in the back. Something about the transmission is not, I don't think it's a Driveshaft, but the transmission is surely not working. So I'm not sure what happened to it. However, we're almost out, and he'll be going home in a tow truck, but he will be going home. There it is. So as you can see, guys, they're out here in Bloomington. They were up there somewhere, but you know, now he's going home. So don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and see you guys next time.